Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on MEXC. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC mobile application and then log in into your account. If you don't have a verified account on MEXC, I will put the link of that down in the description. And now is the time for you to create account because MEXC is providing you 8,000 plus USDT as sign up bonuses. So this is a limited time offer. So do not wait and create your account here. So once you are on this page, simply tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. By default, you will be on the overview page and the last option you see is copy trade. So tap on copy trade and over here you will see the copy trade option. So simply tap on copy trade and then you will be landed on this MEXC copy trading page. Now over here you will see the list of all of the top traders. So you can choose any of the persons whom you want to copy trade or whose trades you want to copy. So here you will see the copy trade option right next to their profile. So you need to simply tap on that and you will see a bunch of other details. So here you can provide the copy trade amount and then you can select the stop loss and then tap on the next step option. On the next page you will have to follow further on screen instructions in order to place your first copy trade here, and this way you can copy other traders on MEXC with ease. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.